Do you want to know one of the biggest reasons why people don't heal from betrayal? It's because they're more committed to their trauma over their transformation. What do I mean by that? Listen, I know that you've been duped, you've been blindsided, you've been betrayed. Your heart's been broken and shattered into a million pieces. Trust has been shattered. I get it. I've been there. I also know how great it feels when you move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. The only thing you get when you constantly go over your story is you get to be revalidated, you get to be re-traumatized, you get to revisit it, you get to be stuck. I'm not saying you don't need to unpack it. Yes, you do. But there comes a point where when you're doing that, more than moving towards stage 4, all you're doing is gluing yourself to stage 3. I see it all day long. Yes, you need to go through it so that you can find the lowest hanging fruit. Now that we understand the scenario, what can we do to even move you 1 degree closer to that next stage? Because here's the thing. Many people are in stage 3 for life. Now, what you're getting every time you're revalidating and reconfirming and all of that, not only are you gluing yourself to stage 3, you're creating aging, weight gain, illness, disease, all of the symptoms of post-betrayal syndrome, anxiety, lack of trust, keeping people at bay, not healing and being able to trust in other people, not trusting in yourself. So many things, all symptoms of post-betrayal syndrome. So I would, when you have a moment, ask yourself, am I more committed to my trauma or my transformation? Will you need to let the story go? Yes. Do you need to do it alone? Of course not. Do this with somebody who truly understands betrayal and knows how to move you through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. But you've been through so much already. You deserve more than just someone acknowledging your story and telling you how bad it is and how wrong it is and how duped you've been. You know that. You know that you can do that on your own. You don't need that. You need someone helping you move through the 5 stages. So I see too many people in pain, and there's a predictable, proven roadmap to move completely through it. It's the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. There is nothing stopping you from moving through those stages. So hope that helps. Follow for more.